and welcome back to Dale's Health and Beauty. I recently received some glasses from Firmoo. This is the pair that I received. I have received Firmoo glasses before and I quite like them. I feel that their glasses are very colorful and nice. They have some very fashionable and chic glasses. The styles and designs are really unique and I find them very appealing. I also feel like their glasses are quite sturdy and I do not feel like they are fragile, and the price is really good, so I do recommend trying Firmoo glasses if you've never tried buying glasses online before. While I was looking at these glasses, it did occur to me that some people still might not enjoy wearing glasses because they feel that the glasses take away from their physical appearance. But I realized that glasses actually can be quite fashionable, so I wanted to share some tips on how to help you feel more comfortable in your glasses and to feel that they complement you more than take away from your appearance. Tip number 1. Match your eyeshadow or lipstick color to the color of your glasses. These glasses from Firmoo have colors of blue and purple, so I chose blue eyeshadow to pair with these glasses. These glasses from Firmoo, the actual frame is brown, but these glasses contain gemstones, rhinestones on them, and the rhinestones are pink, white, or red. So I decided to do brown eyeshadow with a pink lip to go with these glasses. Tip number 2. Choose glasses that are very pretty or colorful or aesthetically appealing. Here are some of the really pretty glasses that Firmoo has to offer. Tip number 3. Choose smaller or narrow or medium width frames over wide frames, because wider frames will take up more of your face and so they can distract people more from your facial features than smaller frames will. Tip number 4. Choose rimless or semi-rimless glasses over full frames. These types of frames distract people from your face much less than full frame glasses do, especially rimless glasses because they are quite thin and there's less material, and they are overall less noticeable on the face. So they won't distract people from your makeup so much, and in fact rimless glasses actually bring out your makeup fully since they are usually just a thin, clear material.